Does your Dyson V11 sound like it's working, but your floors are still, well, less than spotless? Are you starting to suspect it's just rearranging the dust, not removing it? That weak suction, often pointing to a faulty motor, is a surprisingly common problem for Dyson V11 owners. It's not you, it's your vacuum. So, what's happening? Over time, the motor can weaken due to wear and tear, dust buildup, or even manufacturing defects. It's like a tiny engine slowly losing its oomph. Ignoring a struggling motor won't just leave you with dirty floors. You'll be putting extra strain on other parts of the vacuum, potentially leading to more expensive repairs down the line. Plus, it's just plain frustrating. So, you're experiencing that frustrating suction loss due to a faulty motor in your Dyson V11? You're probably wondering what to do next. That's where RoboCare comes in. We're not just general repair folks, we're Dyson experts. Our technicians have years of experience specifically diagnosing and repairing Dyson vacuums, with a deep understanding of the V11's intricate motor system. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools, including motor testing equipment, to precisely identify the cause of the problem, whether it's failing armature or a complete motor breakdown. Our approach is meticulous. We carefully disassemble the motor, thoroughly inspect each component, and replace any faulty parts with genuine, high-performance replacements. This ensures your V11 regains its original suction power and reliability. But enough talk, let's see what a RoboCare motor repair can actually do. Watch the magic happen. RoboCare restores your Dyson V11's original power. Deep cleaning, effortless suction, it's like brand new again. After receiving the vacuum cleaner back, our customer was delighted with its performance. Don't let a faulty motor leave you with a dirty house. Contact RoboCare today for expert Dyson V11 motor repair. Fast turnaround, genuine parts, and guaranteed satisfaction. Visit our website or give us a call.